This is German money. That was never meant to exist. It was printed during hunger, war, and collapse. After World War I, Germany was broken. The empire collapsed. Factories stopped. Gold disappeared. The government had no money left. So cities started printing their own. These notes were called Notgeld. Emergency money. They weren't backed by gold. They weren't even backed by the state. They were backed by desperation. Towns, factories, even companies printed money. Just to keep people alive. While banknotes became more colorful, life became darker. People were paid in money that lost value every week. Savings vanished. Wages meant nothing. Money existed, but dignity didn't. By the early 1920s, inflation exploded. Prices doubled in days. People carried money in baskets just to buy bread. Notgeld didn't cause the collapse. It was a symptom of a country bleeding. Notgeld shows us something terrifying. When trust in money dies, society follows. Extremes rise. Pain spreads. German Notgeld wasn't just paper. It was proof that when money collapses, suffering prints itself.